our media workshop, Press Information Bureau has a mandate to reach out to the people for making aware them about the various schemes of centrally sponsored plans. We had been organizing such programs for various developmental schemes, but this is for the first time that we are organizing a Wartalaap on 3 new criminal laws. You are aware that change is law of nature, and keeping in view that the Government of India has changed the laws and all the modern requirements have been kept into consideration, you will be briefed about all those laws through our esteemed experts, because law enforcing agencies and advocacy has a big role through courts for providing justice to the people who are facing various criminal issues, criminal cases rather. So we have tried to involve all those agencies, and of course, like other schemes, to reach to the corner of Jammu and Kashmir and also the whole country, we definitely need help of the media persons. So we have decided to brief you about these 3 new criminal laws, so that the information could reach to all the concerned through your valuable channels and publications. So I, on behalf of my whole team and Press Information Bureau, Government of India, welcome you all in this Wartalaap, with the hope that we will be able to spread the message, because to inform is to empower. So a brief of these laws, you will definitely watch a presentation here, and you will, our experts will also speak on the topic. Just a brief introduction of these laws. The Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023. The second is the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023, and the third one is the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023. The government has introduced many changes in these laws as per the requirement of the modern system, right from FIR to witness and other things. It has been changed to a large extent, and as you might have heard that these laws were incorporated during colonial time. So I think this is also a great opportunity to write off all those laws which were introduced in India by the English rulers.
Inviting me to this prestigious event, and I would say that this Wartalaap, mini Wartalaap is a appropriately timed event, as we know that in a couple of days there is going to be a watershed moment in our criminal justice system's history. On 1st July, we'll be finally saying goodbye to the colonial era criminal laws, and it would be a new dawn when 3 new new laws that are based on Indian thinking and which are enshrined in the principles of justice, equality and impartiality will be implemented in our country. Like the previous speakers before me said, that it is not Bharatiya Dand Samhita, it is Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita, which in itself demonstrates that the government is committed to delivering justice and not just punishment. So that highlights the transformative change in the thinking in which these new laws have been framed. So a lot has been already, the details have already been shared, and over the course of the past few months, a lot of awareness has been generated on what new sections have been introduced, what new changes have come. But I would like to once again highlight on some important aspects which will come into force once these new laws